Hello students, today we're going to go over page 30 of this packet. It is the CERCA essay example, and this essay was written by a fictional student by the name of Harry Potter. We're going to look for claim, evidence, reasoning, and audience. I'm going to go ahead and read the article and show you how we annotate it as we read along. Alright, so I'm going to start here with the first paragraph. Hey, what's up, Doc? This is a well-known saying of Bugs Bunny character in the animated Looney Tunes series. The show often portrayed cartoon animals with a sense of humor, and it turns out scientists have been researching what makes animals laugh. Learning about animals' humor is also very relevant to understanding more about the development of human behavior. An animal's ability to laugh teaches us that human laughter evolved as a way to communicate harmless play. Now, that right there, this last sentence, an animal's ability to laugh, teaches us that human laughter evolved as a way to communicate harmless play. That is our first claim. Or actually, in this case, it might be the only claim. So make sure that you put a box around the claim. And you can do that by simply going to your shapes and selecting insert rectangle. All right, now let's look for the evidence. Let's do that, and let's read the next paragraph. According to the text, can you make an ostrich laugh? And then it's in quotes. Dogs in a playful mood often huff and puff at each other. Apes at play pant in a way similar to human laughter. Don't worry, I want to play with you, not hurt you. They seem to be saying humans too use laughter this way. That right there seems like it's our evidence. So let's underline that, and you might want to go with a skinny um, a skinny font or that way. So we'll underline this, and that entire quote is Harry's evidence to this claim that animals' ability to laugh teaches us that human laughter evolved. So it's, as you can see, it's all connected. Now this number 5 right here, that's just telling us that if you went to look at the original textbook that was titled, Can You Make an Ostrich Laugh? That's where you will find this quote. All right, let's move on. And let's look for the reasoning. Let's look, what's the reason behind this claim and the evidence? It says here, this evidence shows that similar needs exist between both animals and humans to communicate non-threatening, cheerful, and playful intentions. Humans have evolved this from laughter to signal friendly and appropriate joking or teasing. Additionally, in text, the text states, she concluded that thousands of sounds similar to those the apes and humans make have been around for at least 30 to 60 million years. That means that the very ancient ancestors of both apes and humans had some form of laughter behavior. This came from the author Moss, and that was on page 3. Since it is likely that apes and humans share some type of ancestry, the observable laughing behavior seen in apes and their ancestors can inform the origin of laughter and humor that has been developed in humans. So that is the reasoning behind the evidence of laughter and what it can teach us from both humans and animals. All right, last thing that we're looking for is our audience. Who's the intended audience? All right, let's read this last paragraph. The observations over the period of time have shown consistent findings that animals can indeed express a vocal response that resembles human laughter. Animals and humans share many traits, but this may be the first time that science is deepening an understanding of the link between emotions and experience by human and animals. So our audience seems to be us, humans, people, understanding. So in order to do that, we talk about animals and humans, you can just put a little asterisk, that's that little star that you see up there. So on your keyboard, on most people's keyboard, you got to push shift and the number 8. And that will give you the asterisk, that little star, and that indicates where you believe you have the audience. Now, if you're a pet owner, you'll understand, especially if you have like a cat or a dog, that they like to play and laugh. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I know with my dog, she was a bulldog, so she didn't wag her tail. So what she will do, she will just kind of bounce around and just move her butt back and forth. That's another way of indicator. But yeah, when it came to laughter, she will actually do the same thing of huff and puff. She will huff and puff when I was playing with her. Now, I hope this helps you find claim, evidence, reasoning, and audience. Um, so this is how your paper is supposed to look. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to me via email, private comment, or text. Have a good day. Bye.